बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम अल्लाहुम्मा सल्लि अला मुहम्मदिन व अला आलि मुहम्मद कमा सल्लैता अला इब्राहीम व अला आलि इब्राहीम इन्नका हमीदुम मजीद। अल्लाहुम्मा बारिक अला मुहम्मदिन व अला आलि मुहम्मद कमा बारकता अला इब्राहीम व अला आलि इब्राहीम इन्नका हमीदुम मजीद। अस्सलामु अलैकुम रहमतुल्लाहि व बरकातुहू। Students, I hope you all are fine and welcome to another lesson from Iqra English Book 2. Students, as you know, we have started unit number 1 from book 2 and I hope you have completed Urdu meanings and question answers on your neat notebooks, and I hope you are practicing the grammatical structure of unit number 1, which was about nouns. So can you tell me what are nouns? Yes, nouns are naming words. Once again, nouns are naming words. So which type of naming words you have read in unit number 1? Persons nouns, place nouns, things nouns and animals nouns. Okay students, so try to use these structures in your daily routine language and try to complete your work in time. Now let's move forward towards our today's lesson. Okay my dear students, yesterday you were given a task of making sentences from the given words on your rough notebooks. So I hope you have done your work on your rough notebook. So let's start making sentences on board first of all, then we will move forward towards notebook presentation. Okay dear prep 6 students, in this way you will make sentences. You will give the heading word sentences. One option I am showing you on the board and one option inshallah I will show you on the notebook. Okay, आपके पास 2 टाइप्स के सेंटेंसेस आ जाएंगे. अगर आपको ये वाला सेंटेंस फेवरेट लगे तो आप ये नोटबुक पे राइट कर सकते हैं, या जो मैं नोटबुक पे आपको शो करूँगी अगर आपको वो इजी लगे तो आप वो कर सकते हैं. ओके, सो देयर विल बी 2 ऑप्शंस फॉर यू. सो फर्स्ट वन और फर्स्ट वर्ड इज मुस्लिम्स. वी आर गोइंग टू मेक सेंटेंस दे आर मुस्लिम्स. वी कैन चेंज द प्रोनाउन एंड वी कैन मेक सेंटेंस you are Muslim, we are Muslims, they are Muslims. Okay, next one, flag. Flag mean झंडा. Make sentence I love the Pakistani flag. अब आपके पास एक ही ऑप्शन है. One option inshallah I will show you on the notebook. You can make sentence I love my flag, I like my flag, I love the Pakistani flag. Okay, in this way you will make sentences. Now next sentences we will see on the board. We have 2 more sentences. Homeland. Homeland mean watan. Pakistan is my homeland. Pakistan is my homeland. Okay, dress. Let's have a look for the sentence. I have a beautiful dress. I have a beautiful dress. Okay students, in this way you will make sentences. Now come towards our last sentence. Okay dear students, it's for today's last sentence. Flower mean pool. I love yellow flower. I like yellow flower. I love red flower. You can change the sentence according to your choice. Now let me show you notebook presentation, how you will do word sentences in your notebook. Okay dear prep 6 students, in this way you will ready your notebook. You will maintain your notebook. You will mark English date, page number and Islamic date. You will give the heading of word sentences on the top line. First letter of words and first letter of sentences will be capital. There should be slash between the both of the words. You will double underline the heading. Then ½ inch plus single margin line on right side, 1 inch plus double margin line on left side. Then you will start making sentences. As you will write first word Muslims. We are Muslims. They are Muslims. You can do according to your choice. Next one, flag. Our flag is green and white. Our flag is green and white. Next one, homeland. I love my homeland. I love my homeland. Pakistan is my homeland. You can make sentence according to your choice. Next one, dress. She has a nice dress. She has a nice dress. आपने has और have का structure किया है. You can make with sentence with have also. I have a nice dress, they have a nice dress, he has a nice dress. Okay, by changing the pronouns we can change the sentence. Next one, flower. I like red flower, I love yellow flower. Different type of sentences you can make. Okay students, so it's your presentation of word sentences. Now let's move forward towards next activity from book. Okay dear students, it's exercise C from page number 14, and what we are going to do, make maximum words from the following words. Okay, as you can say, there is example beautiful. ओके, ब्यूटीफुल वर्ड में से हमने मैक्सिमम वर्ड्स बनाने हैं. मैक्सिमम हमारे पास कितने वर्ड्स बन सकते हैं? एज यू कैन सी, ब्यूटीफुल में से हमारे पास बनेगा इट, एट, ईट, बीट, एट, फैट, बैट, बिट, फिट, टब, बट, फ्यूल, फॉल्ट, लिट, बिल्ट, feet, lift and leave. Okay students, by changing the position of the letters we can make maximum words. Okay, letters की position change करने से, letters की जगह change करने से हम maximum words बना सकते हैं. You have to learn this activity, and we are given one more word, homeland. अब हमें homeland word में से maximum words बनाने हैं. Okay students, so let's try to make maximum words from homeland, and you will pause the video, then you will try to make the words, and then you will take the feedback. Okay students, okay dear students, in this way you will change the position of the letters and you will make maximum words from the given word homeland. Okay, let's start. Homeland, because homeland is a one word. We can see by there is a group of two words and we got one word which is homeland. Okay, so home, land, and man, men, mend, lend, bend, hand, band, head, led, dead, mole, hole, deal, meal. These are the words we get from one word homeland. Okay, homeland one word में से हमने maximum words लिए हैं. You will try to solve this activity at your home. It's one of the interesting activities from this unit. Now let's move over towards our next exercise, which is exercise number 7. It's today's last activity that we are going to attend now. Write proper nouns of the given common nouns. Okay, there are two types of nouns given here, proper nouns and common nouns. Okay, so what we have to do, common nouns are given. Common noun mean noun, name of a common person, place, thing. Okay, we have to change these common nouns into proper nouns. Proper nouns are the specific, पर्टिकुलर नाउन्स, ख़ास, किसी ख़ास पर्सन, प्लेस या थिंग को हम प्रॉपर नाउन में लेके जाएंगे. एंड कॉमन नाउन द नेम ऑफ अ कॉमन पर्सन, आम नाउन नेम्स और ख़ास नेम्स. क्लियर स्टूडेंट्स? फॉर एग्जाम्पल लुक एट द फर्स्ट एग्जाम्पल, कंट्री. हे यू डोंट नो अबाउट विच कंट्री वी आर टॉकिंग, हम कौन सी कंट्री की बात कर रहे हैं. So what will be the proper noun for country? Pakistan. Yes. City. Do you know about which city we are talking? किस city की हम बात कर रहे हैं? So city को हम proper noun में change करेंगे. Lahore. Day. Monday. Province. Punjab. Person. Ali और Sana. Language, Urdu. Clear students? So we will change the given common nouns into proper, and the first letter of proper nouns will be capital. Okay dear students, in this way you will change the common nouns into proper nouns and your first letter of proper nouns will be capital. city Karachi, day Monday, province Punjab, person Ali or Sana, language Urdu. Okay, in this way you will solve this activity. Now let's know today's diary. Okay dear students, it's your today's diary. Make sentences on neat notebooks plus learn and write page number 14, Iqra English book 2. And the students, as you know, from Monday your proper classes are going to start and you all will come in school inshallah vajil. So it's Allah Hafiz from my side, and remember me in your prayers.